Have you ever wondered if there's a brokerage firm that could help you maximize your investments? One name that often comes up is Questrade. But is it really a good choice for you? Before we dive into the specifics, let's understand what Questrade is and what it offers. Questrade is a Canadian discount brokerage firm that provides online self-directed investing services. This means you're in control of your investments, making your own buying and selling decisions. Fees and commissions. One of the most crucial factors when choosing a brokerage firm is its fees. Questrade is known for its low-cost structure, especially for self-directed investors. They charge minimal account fees and commission rates, making it a more affordable option compared to some traditional full-service brokerages. Investment options. Questrade offers a wide range of investment options, including stocks, bonds, ETFs, mutual funds, and options. This versatility allows you to build a diversified portfolio that aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Trading platforms and tools. A good brokerage firm should provide user-friendly trading platforms and tools to help you make informed investment decisions. Questrade offers both web-based and mobile trading platforms that are easy to navigate. They also provide access to research tools, market data, and charting capabilities. Customer service. While Questrade is primarily a self-directed brokerage, they still offer customer support. Their website provides resources and FAQs to help you find answers to your questions. If you need further assistance, you can contact their customer service team. Pros and cons. Pros. Low-cost structure. Wide range of investment options. User-friendly trading platforms. Access to research tools. Cons. Limited personalized advice. May not be suitable for beginners who need more guidance. Is Questrade right for you? The question of whether Questrade is a good investment depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're a self-directed investor who values low costs and a wide range of investment options, Questrade could be a great choice. However, if you're new to investing and require more personalized advice, a full-service brokerage might be a better fit. Alternatives to consider. Before making a decision, it's always a good idea to explore other options. Some popular alternatives to Questrade include Wealthsimple, Interactive Brokers, and TD Direct Investing. Questrade offers a compelling value proposition for self-directed investors who prioritize low fees and a wide range of investment options. However, it's essential to assess your individual needs and preferences before making a final decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.